The A 8th Avenue Express is a rapid transit service in the B division of the New York City subway. Its route emblem, or bullet, is colored blue since it uses the IND 8th Avenue line in Manhattan. The A operates at all times. Daytime service operates between 207th Street and Inwood, Manhattan and Mott Avenue in Far Rockaway, Queens or Lefferts Boulevard in Richmond Hill, Queens, making express stops in Manhattan and Brooklyn and local stops in Queens. Limited rush hour service also operates to or from Beach 116th Street in Rockaway Park, Queens. Late night service operates only between 207th Street and Far Rockaway, making local stops along its entire route. During this time, a shuttle train, the Lefferts Boulevard Shuttle, operates between Euclid Avenue and Lefferts Boulevard. The A provides the longest one-seat ride in the system at 32.39 miles, between Inwood and Far Rockaway, and has a weekday ridership of 600,000. On January 23, 2005, a fire at the Chambers Street signal room crippled A and C service. Initial assessments suggested that it would take several years to restore normal service, but the damaged equipment was replaced with available spare parts, and normal service resumed on April 21. A service was affected by Hurricane Sandy in October 2012, due to extreme damage to the IND Rockaway line. Trains that normally traveled to Far Rockaway or Rockaway Park terminated at Howard Beach JFK Airport. Service to the Rockaways resumed on May 30, 2013. The Far Rockaway part of the route was served by the temporary Free H shuttle that ran between Far Rockaway and Beach 90th Street via the connecting track at Hamels Y. As a result of a two-phase program of flood mitigation work along the Hamels Y, between April 9 and May 18, 2018, limited rush hour A service to or from Rockaway Park was suspended. The second phase, from July 1 to September 3, diverted all Far Rockaway bound A trips to Rockaway Park, with Rockaway Park shuttle trains being rerouted to the Far Rockaway branch through the southern leg of Hamels Y. From midday on March 29, 2020 to April 28, 2020, due to the suspension of C train service caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, A trains to Lefferts Boulevard ran local, while A trains to the Rockaways ran express. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like us on Facebook.